Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will explore the Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC B1038, which pertains to the inability of the immobilizer to successfully transmit authentication information via the FCAN, or the Functional Controller Area Network. The DTC indicates that the body control module has not received the necessary authentication ID signals, which is critical for determining if the vehicle can start. This issue involves various The DTC B1038 indicates a failure in the immobilizer system's ability to communicate via FCAN, leading the body control module to identify an abnormality. This abnormality occurs when the body control module cannot receive the immobilizer ID signals, which are essential for allowing normal engine start operations. The affected component in this case is the body control module, positioned in the vehicle's cabin near the dashboard. This module plays a vital role in managing several systems in the vehicle, including security and door locking functions. If it fails to receive the necessary signals due to wiring issues or internal module failure, the result is that the vehicle may not start, presenting significant challenges in vehicle operation. Inspecting this component and its connectivity within the circuit is essential to troubleshoot this DTC effectively. Several possible causes can trigger DTC B1038. First, a power or ground circuit failure of the transmitting control unit can impede communication signals. This means that the electrical supply to essential components, like the body control module, might not be adequate, affecting its operations. Secondly, a malfunctioning body control module itself may lead to the failure in ID signal reception, as it might not process incoming data correctly. Lastly, issues related to the VSA modulator control unit can also result in this DTC being stored, as it interacts with the body control module to determine vehicle stability. Therefore, each of these components must be inspected meticulously to rectify the problem effectively. When DTC B1038 is present, several symptoms may manifest that alert the driver or technician to a problem. The most immediate and notable symptom is the inability to start the engine. This occurs because the body control module, after detecting that it cannot receive the immobilizer ID signals, will prevent the engine from being ignited to enhance vehicle security. Additionally, the immobilizer warning light on the dashboard may illuminate, giving a visual indication to the driver that there is an issue with the starting system. In more severe cases, unexpected shutdowns of the engine while driving may occur if the communication is disrupted repeatedly. Recognizing these symptoms as indicators of a potential electrical or module failure is critical for timely intervention. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC B1038 involves checking the power and ground circuits associated with the transmitting control unit. If the vehicle is experiencing issues, this step is essential to ensure that all electrical connections are functioning as intended. It's crucial to verify that the appropriate voltages are present and that the grounds are solid, as these are fundamental for the normal operation of the body control module. If there is a failure in providing either power or ground, it can lead to the DTC being stored, as the module may not receive any signals required for its operations. Documentation and specifications should be referred to in order to measure and assess if the power and ground circuits are within the specified limits. The second troubleshooting step revolves around inspecting the FCAN circuits for any signs of open wires or disconnections. This involves carefully examining the BFCAN-H and BFCAN-L circuits, which are essential for communication between the body control module and other control units. The presence of open wires can result in disrupted signals, leading to the inability of the body control module to receive necessary data. Utilizing diagnostic tools, you will need to check for resistance levels across these circuits. The optimal resistance should be less than 1 ohm, as specified in troubleshooting guidelines. If the readings indicate a higher resistance or no continuity, the circuits must be repaired or replaced accordingly to restore proper functionality. In the third step of troubleshooting DTC B1038, the focus shifts to inspecting the body control module more closely. This check often involves using the HDS, which stands for Honda Diagnostic System, to perform specific tests to determine if the body control module is detected on the BFCAN network. During this procedure, various functions will be evaluated to see if the module communicates as expected. If the HDS indicates that the body control module is not functioning properly, it is likely the root cause of the communication failure. This thorough assessment should also include checking for any updated software versions, verifying that there haven't been any other underlying issues that might affect operations, and understanding that successful detection is crucial for resolving the DTC. The final troubleshooting step entails inspecting the VSA modulator control unit. If previous checks have indicated that the body control module operates correctly, the VSA modulator plays a vital role in ensuring that the vehicle's stability functions are intact and effectively communicates with the body control module through the FCAN network. When testing the module, you can also perform specific diagnostics to confirm its proper operation. If abnormal conditions or failures are detected during this inspection, it would suggest that the VSA modulator control unit might be causing the communication disruption, and therefore, it might need repair or replacement. Understanding the integrative role of the VSA modulator control unit can clarify the potential impact of its failure on the entire vehicle operation. After all troubleshooting steps have been completed and repairs made, it is crucial to perform a final verification of the repairs associated with DTC B1038. This involves ensuring that the vehicle starts correctly and that the body control module can now receive communications from the immobilizer as intended. Following this successful confirmation, the next step is to clear the DTC from the system using the HDS, thereby resetting any stored codes. This action will allow you to monitor whether the DTC reappears, which could indicate that the issue has not been fully resolved. Successful clearance and subsequent operation without the DTC reappearing is essential for restoring confidence in the reliability of the immobilizer system. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding issues like DTC B1038 from emerging in the future. Regular system inspections should be scheduled as part of the vehicle's maintenance routine, specifically focusing on the wiring harnesses, circuit connections, and control modules can preemptively detect any signs of wear or damage that could lead to communication failures. Ensuring that all connections are secure, clean, and protected from the environment will help maintain optimal functionality of the electronic systems in the vehicle. Investing time in preventive measures can save both time and money when it comes to mitigating future risks associated with the vehicle's immobilizer and control systems. In summary, DTC B1038 indicates a significant communication failure within the immobilizer system, primarily involving the body control module and VSA modulator control unit. Effective troubleshooting starts with inspecting power and ground circuits before moving on to FCAN connections and evaluating the integrity of the control modules. Understanding the critical roles each component plays within the vehicle's security and operational systems is essential for accurately diagnosing the issue. By following a methodical approach to troubleshooting, technicians can restore proper function and reliability to the vehicle. Implementing regular preventive maintenance can further safeguard against future occurrences, ensuring a smoother driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.